Hello friends, welcome to Python introduction class from Tribro Datascience. I am Manish. So, how to use Python? We need to install Python. You need to go to www.python.org. From there, you can go to download section and download the Python. Once you download Python, just you need to click in Windows. Just you need to click next, and it will go and install it for you. Once Python is installed, just come to any command prompt and type Python and press enter. You will be in interactive cell. I am using Python 3.7.3, so it is Python 3. So today we are going to see string in Python. So how to use string and methods we'll see in Python. Okay, first just we'll go and print message using print method in Python. Okay, welcome to Python intro. Okay, so it is displaying message welcome to Python intro. Okay, so how to display same thing on new line? So for that I need to use /n, that is called escape sequence. So you see the difference, it is going to new line. Now if I need to add tab to that, how I can do? Just I need to add /t. Now you see the difference, and other one is /a. So what it does, it beeps. Okay, now these are the common escape sequence. Okay, so we are going to see strings. So first string is string 1 equal welcome to Python intro. Okay, so in interactive cell I can just type string 1 to display my string, but whenever you are using any editor, in that case how you can display that string or any messages on a screen, we need to use print statement. So 1. Okay friends, so Python uses index to represent each character of a string with a number, that is called indexing. So for W in our string 1, indexing starts from 0 and it goes till length of that string. So how to find length of a string? String 1. So it is giving me 23. So indexing start from 0 and it goes till 22. Total length is 23. So it's because it is starting from 0, so it will go till 22. Okay, and Python also support negative indexing, that is ends on -1. So if my length is 23, then it will go till -23 to -1. it goes ulta. So if I'm telling indexing, suppose string 1 0 0, enter, that's w, then again minus 23, it is w. Okay, you got how it is represented, positive indexing and negative indexing. So if I want to extract a particular character or some number, some words or some character from that string, then I can do like this. Then it is giving me 0 to 8. It will take 0 to 8 characters. So welcome space then T. So suppose just I want welcome, so I need to reduce by, okay. So this is example of slicing in Python. So suppose I have a two string. Suppose str2 equal some student name like Rajesh. Okay, I didn't terminated my string. Sorry, I didn't close that with the quotes, so it was throwing me error. Okay, now it's okay. So how to add these two string, string1 str2. So how to add these two? So just I need to do str2 plus, okay, plus string 1. So it is displaying me message Rajesh, welcome to Python intro. Okay, so we saw how to find length, how to concat to string, and suppose there is another method called str1 dot is upper, it will return me true or false. Okay, so okay, sorry, str1, I were not using str1, that is str2 or string 1. So it is returning me false. Suppose now I am going and changing str2. We'll take another example. We will take str3 now. str3 touches. Okay, now same function, same method we will use with str3 and see what it is returning. Now it is returning true. It means this upper is going to check uppercase. If it is uppercase, then it will return true, else it will return false. So now for str3 there is another function called str lower. Okay, false. So another function is str white, str2 is returned false because we have first character in capital letter, that's why it is returning false. Okay, so str2 dot is numeric false. So we will take one number 1 equal 4 2 3 4, enter. Again same mistake I did, I need to close it. Okay, so num1 dot is numeric. Okay, so I need It is returning true. So it is checking for numbers. If it contains only number, then it will return that. Or another function is digit. True. So what it checks, digit checks if everything is only digit, no other character. So it returns true for that. Another one is, suppose I am going to change this to only space. So num1 equal, num1 dot is space. So press enter and see. So it is returning true. If I go and change the num1 to something else, okay, like this with a space, now if I am checking, it is returning me false. So these are the some functions, some method to check with difference. Next is, suppose sometime we need to type a single character multiple time. For example, let's see if I need to create a line like this. So how I can do easily? Print okay, check how many times, 30 times I want. So just do this and I'll get that similar thing. Okay, so next is formatting. So how we can in print, how we can use numbers and every other things. So let's see example. Welcome to Python. Your mission number is. So I need to type some number here. So how I can do? I need to take one variable and type here. Suppose uh, suppose I want to display. So I need to 23 there. So okay, so it is displaying 23. Suppose I'm taking a variable now, num1 equal 23. Now I check type num1, it is class int. Okay, so with this example, if I go and type here num1, I'll get error. Sorry, yeah, so it is displaying the num1. Okay, so how I can do other way? Other way is like this. If okay, so here no need to typecast and all. Suppose str1 equal welcome to Python. Here number is okay. Now if I do str1 plus num1, it will give me error. Why? Because I am adding a string and a number. So how I can do? I can do like this. I need to typecast it to string. I need to change it to string, that number. This str will help to do that, and I am able to do. Okay friends, so str1 equal welcome. Okay, so how I can change it to upper? So function is str1 dot upper. Okay, press enter, it will change. To use this value again in our program, we need to assign it to some variable. Directly we can change str1. Okay, it is immutable. Okay, what is immutable? Immutable is which, for which we can't the value we can't change. Str, then to change it to lower, there is function called lower, so it will change whatever character, uppercase or lowercase, it will change. Another one is swap case. Okay, another one is title, so it will change first character of each word as a caps. Suppose our string is having like this, welcome to Python, then title will change like this. Okay, each character, each word's first character is changed to caps. Thanks friends, we saw basic of strings in Python.